Hier sehen Sie meine Kollegen Thomas und Stanek auf unseren Kompaktladern auf Rädern, unseren Dancing Bobcats.
The Bobcat demonstration at bauma 2022 in Munich, Germany featured amazing precision machine operating. But what you may find more impressive is the technology and innovation Bobcat introduced at the event.
So me and my team, what we do is we pilot new technologies in different types of industries to see how they might apply to our equipment and our services to give a better solution, a new solution for our customers. Again, it's all about making them more productive on the job site in their backyards. And so we've searched the globe to find those different technologies, and we're debuting some of those solutions that we've developed here at bauma.
Bobcat put on display the all-electric T7X compact track loader that has been in development for several years and is now commercially available in North America via Sunbelt Rentals.
We removed the engine and the hydraulics, and we replaced it with a battery and electric actuators and electric drive motors. And that allows us to create a totally different platform. And so like I tell people is, don't think of it just as a sustainable machine. It is sustainable, but it allows us to do lots of different things to provide more power, instantaneous power to the machine through electrification. It's ultra quiet, there's no noise or vibration with the machine, and there's very little maintenance with that type of platform.
Also showcased were two models of electric mini excavators. The 1-ton E10E, which has been in production in Europe for several years and is now commercially available in Canada and the United States, and the new 2-ton E19E, which will be introduced to the European market and then be made available in the North American market the following year. Where does this fall on your coolness scale? Bobcat is working directly with LG Display on the development of a transparent touchscreen window.
Yes, this is a transparent, touch-enabled OLED screen. And the reason that we're looking at this is to say, we have a lot of glass in our cabs and cabins on our vehicles. So how could we leverage that glass to be maybe part of our display solution? So this is an in-glass display solution that is not a projector, not anything like that, and it's touch-enabled. So this is just a viewing of maybe all these different things that we could pull up. But if you have this on a piece of glass that you wanted to look through, you don't want all this busyness. So we actually, what we'll want to do is we want to clear that out and actually treat this as a window. So you can actually see through this window or this TOLED and treat it as a window, but you also treat it as a display. We can either slow the machine down until we come in contact, or I can set this machine to just stop at a certain distance.
Bobcat's radar object avoidance system has been in development for a few years. The technology is on the back of the tailgate of the loaders.
It's much more advanced than standard ultrasonics that you might see on your car, because it sorts through the different objects. Because again, sometimes there might be a clump of snow or dirt or whatever it is, and that's something that somebody wants to operate in versus an object to avoid. And so we're sorting through those through the intelligence of the system. And so this will be commercially available also in 2023.
Bobcat Quad Tracks. They're currently in the prototype phase, but the company will be doing a limited launch with some customers in 2023 to gauge their reaction and get feedback.
Quad Tracks is a really fun, interesting technology. And essentially what we did was we took a skid steer loader, removed the tires, and we put 4 quads on there. And again, it just creates a whole new level of experience for the operator, you know, in those soft, muddy conditions. But also when operators are going over larger bumps or curbs, now you have much better ability to walk over the top of those different objects very easily.
Even after all of this at bauma, the Vice President of Innovation at Bobcat says there is plenty more to come.
There's other things we're not showing the world right now, some other really interesting technologies that we'll be debuting. We'll be debuting some new things at ConExpo coming up in March in North America. And so yes, there's more things as we go along here, as we learn and continue to augment all these new technologies. Again, how do we make the customer more productive, more comfortable on the job site?
At bauma 2022 in Munich, Germany, Arturo Santiago, Heavy Equipment Guy.
Sie haben einen höheren Auftrieb, Sie haben einen geringeren Bodendruck zum Beispiel, eine bessere Zugkraft auf nassem Gelände im Vergleich zu herkömmlichen Kompaktladern.